The first step is to fix the fabric onto the hoop. I am using 2 layers of cotton fabric to make it sturdy and less see-through. We will be making a simple night sky with a quote from Mother's Day. We start by drawing or tracing out a moon. We will then be using the stem stitch to make the outlines. Once done, make a knot at the back and snip off the extra thread. Later, I'll be using a different color to fill in the inside part of the moon. The stars are then made using French knots in this fashion. You may adjust the number of thread strands used or the number of times you wrap it around the needle to change the size of the knots or stars. Once we write down the quote we want using a pencil, a simple backstitch could be used to complete the quote. After that, you may cut out the excess fabric and either sew the sides or glue them to your hoop, and your hand embroidered hoop is ready.